In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Todoist. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you work at night or in low light environments, and it can also make your task list look a lot cleaner and more modern. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Todoist app or the Todoist website and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on your main task view, look towards the upper part of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small image or a circle with your initials. It's typically located near the top left area. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account options. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can control most of your personal preferences for Todoist, including appearance and behavior. Click on Settings to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you will see several sections or tabs for different types of options. Find the section labeled Theme. The theme section controls how Todoist looks, including colors and background styles. Click on Theme to open the theme options. Now you should see a list of different themes you can choose from. Among these options, look for the one labeled Dark. This is the dark mode theme that changes the background to darker colors and adjusts the text to be more comfortable to read in dim lighting. Click on Dark to select it as your new theme. After selecting the dark theme, scroll down if needed and look for a button labeled Update or Save beneath the theme choices. This step is important because if you don't confirm the change, Todoist might not apply the new theme. Click on the Update button to save your settings. Once you do that, Todoist should immediately switch to dark mode. You'll notice the background turning darker and the text and icons adjusting so everything remains clear and readable. If you ever want to go back to the light theme or try a different color scheme, you can return to the same theme section in settings and choose another option, then click Update again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Todoist, making your workspace easier on your eyes and more comfortable for longer sessions.